This is a shader program running in my Vulkan compute engine. The engine itself is only 699 lines of code. Configuring it is literally just this here. It's completely data driven. I don't have to touch the code at all. It is incomplete, so I have some weird stuff like commenting out the tick frequency, which I don't actually use. Group count here should be equal to the number of SMs you have if you have an NVIDIA GPU or compute units if you have a AMD GPU. The work group count. This is the work group count. Screen, whatever. This shouldn't be here. It should be automatically set, provided you give it the features that you want, that you require. I don't use samplers at the moment, so it's nothing here. I don't actually support. I didn't implement samplers yet because I don't use samplers. I haven't used samplers. I could find it. Yes. Well, that's where is it? Okay, I don't know. Whatever. Um. All I have to do is just to add a new image or a buffer. Which, by the way, I only use storage text buffers. I don't use uniform text buffers because I could just do read-only storage text buffers, and that would be fine. Storage buffers aren't useful to me because of the way I program. I mean, storage we're programming on a GPU, so we're gonna be doing uniform accesses. We're not gonna be accessing memory like we're on the CPU, right? So storage buffers aren't that useful to me. I do use a special buffer that is a storage buffer, however, which is the disk descriptor. I'll get into that later. But if I want to add a new image, I just add a new index here, enumerate index here, and then just go here, and then just set the fields here, and same thing over here. The reason why I use this is so I can reference them. I can reference the buffer for maybe like transfers. Anyways, I program in a weird way. I don't like naming things, so use I use this. I use these makeshift registers. I like to know where the data is being stored at. So like on the stack, I purposely set this on the stack, and I'm using this as like, okay, hopefully these are in the register, or is it not on the stack, but it's completely branchless. Um, I do an approach that I got from Timothy Lotus called bind everything once, where I define all of my descriptors up front with various aliases and in the formats here too. Um, okay, right here is, where's the disk? Right here is the special disk storage buffer I'm talking about. It basically just emulates the DMA feature. It emulates direct memory access from GPU to disk. So I literally just memory map. I just pass a host memory pointer to Vulkan, and this is to swap chain images or screen images, whatever. Yeah, and I do programs and like functions. If I want to add a new program, I just do this. Case one, program one. It's not really good. I could probably do a macro and concatenate the number here on the name, and then I just, well, I would change it here, but actually you change it here. Specialization, change it here. I need this to be a configured thing, actually. Got to do that. Actually, I don't want that. like this. That would be nice. Actually, I wanted to be here. Yep, there we go. Yeah, yeah. Tiffany Lotus is gonna make a video soon. Actually, talk to him personally about this. About buying everything once. So that would be pretty cool. He's gonna talk about how he um his way of using Vulkan and GLSL, which will be pretty cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show this off.